I like the atmosphere of the shop. The people around us, they come, laugh.
Where are you working?
I work in social media. Twitter?
Which one? Twitter?
Twitter. You go to Twitter?
No.
You don't know what Twitter is? Ham. You're in the Stone Age.
Yeah, I know.
Sometimes people come and ask for free food. Yeah, he's really hungry, he needs to eat something. We give them free food.
The private run places are more likely to give you something, whereas the big chains, they won't give you anything. They'd rather throw it in the bin, let it go to waste.
Really hard job to do. People think it's easy, but it's not.
I'm Captain Jack Sparrow. Savvy?
You look like a twat.
Yes, please, next. I look like who? What?
Twat.
Hey, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Do you feel big in front of your mates calling them a twat?
Do you want to go?
Come and do this, come and do this. Come step outside.
Really, this is the life of a chicken shop.
What happened to your neck?
I broke it.
How'd you do that?
I fell off a horse.
Shit.
Yeah.